Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So today obviously there was some fake news around the Bitcoin spot ETF that did lead to a short spike on the ETH chart as well, but nothing major and nothing that really did lead to a sustained break above resistance. So when I would talk about, a break of resistance, I'm obviously usually referring to a sustained break. I did explain to you if we break above 1609, it would make this wave 4 here very unlikely, and it has become less likely, but we never had a sustained break. It was simply a break due to fake news. And honestly, within a 30-minute candle, it went up, and within a 30-minute candle, it went down. Let's check the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour didn't even close above resistance. I am still very happy to consider this a wave 4, even though a very large wave 4. The spike was purely generated due to fake news, and we had an immediate rejection in the larger retracement area. So that leaves a little bit of ambiguity on this chart. So we could have a situation in which we say, right, this was 3 waves down, this was a 4th wave rally, and we just go back to our original plan with a 5th wave to the downside still in play into the yellow box between 1450 and 1530. Well, obviously it should go below the 3rd wave low here, below 1520 at least. This is one scenario. A more bearish scenario is this wave 2. I only put it there with a question mark. I don't really believe it. In this scenario, we moved down in 3 waves in a wave 1. Basically, the entire decline would be a diagonal pattern. If this was a wave 2, the next move down would be a wave 3, a 4, and a 5. It would come down lower. Another interpretation would be, and there are just different ways how this can be interpreted. Another interpretation would be that this 3rd wave there was never finished. This 3rd wave was never finished, and in fact, we're just dealing here with an ending diagonal, but it's subdividing as follows. So wave 1, wave 2, A, B, C in wave 3, then a 4 and a 5. I might go with that one. It's a little bit too early. I don't really want to confirm it yet. At the moment, it doesn't make a difference which one I really have on the chart because they all point towards the downside. Resistance is well known. 1609, where we had a rejection, and then up here 1703 is the next resistance level. But against these, we can focus on lower. So this would be another way of interpreting this. Due to the high B wave, that makes sense. 1, 2, which would also have been an A, B, C structure. Then the wave 3, A, B, C. The wave 4 and the wave 5 would also be an A, B, C. Whenever we have a structure like that, it means we need to be on our toes. For now, I leave it all as it is. We still focus on lower against resistance, especially as long as we stay below today's high. And we're watching for further downside. So essentially nothing changed. I'm not too happy with the microstructure, how it's developing, but it, especially the spike today is a bit of a challenge. It doesn't make the chart clearer, certainly not, but it certainly doesn't make the chart bullish. I mean, it is rather bearish. It rather confirms our idea that we should focus on lower because this massive rejection just isn't bullish, right? So if we come down in wave 5 now, in this scenario, we should be dealing with a 5-wave move. So a 1-2 setup in wave 5 should follow. I will put that onto the chart. Please don't treat it as too predictive because of the, let's say the situation on the chart. But it would be like this. 5 waves down. I think we need to change that at some point. But this is sort of what I would go with right now. And there should be a wave 2 resistance. So I will take this resistance area out now because then I can add one for this small wave 2 of wave 5. And in this wave 2 of wave 5, there is, let me see, where would I need to go to the smaller time frame just to work out where I need to set the support here. Okay. So in any wave 2 now, we should move into the region between 1596 and 1627. In a wave 2, this would be resistance for this wave 2 of wave 5. And if we get into this region, a 3rd wave breakdown could follow from there. This is sort of, from what I can tell right now, probably the most reliable count. I think the spike is over, certainly, and we're back to square one. Okay, that's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.